Hello Coco Divers! It's Erica and I'm back with another unboxing video for our lovely Coco Divers. So today we are going to do the unboxing for the most women's essential items, the cosmetics. And these cosmetics are made by VT. VT collaborated with BTS. And this is actually season 2. They already collaborated with BTS last year for the actually BT21. Yeah, so but this one is VT collaborated with BTS. And as you can see here, there are some special free gifts for all these products. So let's get started. Okay, so what's in this blue box? It says Born. Again, VT, BTS, and Natural. And you can see the holographic mark here. Okay. Alright, so it says in Korean, Born Natural Special Capsule Mask Kit. I wonder what's inside. Can you see? Let's open it. Okay, so the blue box contains capsule mask kit. Okay. Oh, okay. That's what? I see. So this one is actually capsule mask. I think it's a sleeping bag. Okay, so how do you open this? Oh, right there. Let's open it. Okay. So there you see the gel. Okay, the texture is very silky. And I think it's the sleeping pack that you put on before you go to bed. Okay. I think it's very good for moisturizing. And it's not sticky at all. Very good. So how many do we have these? Okay, so in sky blue. Oh, I see. So here we have peeling. So this one has the function of peeling. So if you put this on before you go to bed, the next morning your skin will look flawless, I think. And this one, this sky blue package, is hydrating, for hydrating. What's next? Gray. Okay. And this one for the brightening. Okay. Oh, I like this color. Okay, and this one does nutrition. Okay, and do we have more? Oh, how many do I have in this one package? Okay, so green soothing. So this would be good after tanning or after you've been under the sun for a long time. Pore care. Okay. And how about the last one? It says deep moisture. So in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little pack for different type of function. Very good. Okay, so this was for the capsule mask kit. Okay. So there is a surprising news for you guys, because as I said earlier, you will get special free gifts for each product, and this one is the free special gift. You see? What do you think it is? I'm going to open it and show it to you well. Okay. Okay, so here we have, you see, transparent photo. I think it's bigger than photo card. Yes, it's well coated. Yes, transparent photos of 7 members. Jin, J-Hope, Jungkook, Namjoon, Suga, Jimin, and Taeyong. All these 7 photos will be given to you for this one package. What? How amazing is that?
Yes, okay, so that was the free gift for VT BTS collaborated cosmetics. And it's not just ooh, that looks crazily beautiful. Okay, the next one is the toner. Okay, so water fit toner, and this is used after you wash your face and the very beginning of the facial care, skincare. Okay, let's open it. Okay, you know, I think I'm getting better and better with opening the packages. Oh, look at that. It's a bit heavy, and oh, it does say the fit toner, and you can use this as an ample, like moisturizing toner right after you wash your face. It's sealed. You have to open it to use it. Okay, very good. And I think it's very good for soothing and moisturizing. Okay, that was that. Very good. Okay, next we have mint color. What do we, oh, again, these 7 photos will be given for this one. Okay, remember that. What is this? This is watering fit serum. Okay, and it says it will help your skin balance and moisture. Huh, very good. Let's see. Very good. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at the packaging. Huh. Wow. Okay, so how do you use it? You remove this. Ah, okay, you pump it, right? Oh, look at my... This is not my real tattoo, everyone. Okay, it's, you know, it's not real. It's a sticker. Okay, so I want to try. Oh, look at that. It's very smooth. And is it sticky? No. And oh, I like the smell. Okay, so this hand is the one that I put the serum on, and this one is no. Can you see the difference? Okay, very good. Good. And what is next? Again, everyone, 7 photos for just 1 item. Free gifts. Okay, this one is what? See? Stay Touch Foundation. I don't normally use foundation when I do the makeup, but let's see if I will like this one. Oh, speechless. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Huh, it is pretty. Okay, so let's open. Ooh, what? Oh, look at the heart. Okay, so how do you use it? Oh, okay. So you press this one, the top of the product, lightly, not hard, lightly. Okay, so let me try. What is this for? Oh, I see. Oh, do you see? Okay, so this is how you use it. Okay, so like that. Huh. Oh, very smooth and soft. So you don't need to use your hand to apply the foundation. You know, oh, that's the hate part. I mean, when you put on a makeup, the foundation on your hand, it's very sticky, and I don't like the feeling of it. But this one, you don't need to worry about it. Okay. Ooh, this is very neat. Convenient. Oh, I gotta say, you know, to be honest, I think Korean cosmetic companies or any Korean companies, they really know what customers' needs and wishes are, and they make good products. I think someone's smart in every cosmetic company work. Huh? I like it. Oh, okay. So this end applied and this end no. Can you see the difference? Okay, I like that. I think I might be using this every day now. From now on. Again, 7 photos along with that. What is this? Glow base. Base? Does it mean that I should apply this one before this one? Okay. Well, I have a confession to make. I'm not good with, makeup. Okay, so again, I don't have any skills with makeups. That really is pain. Okay, so I think this is the same, but let's just find out if the color is different. Okay, because this was the foundation and this is the base. So I'm guessing you have to put this one before you put on the foundation. Oh, the color is different. Okay, I see. This one is like very silky, oh no, pearly pink. And this one is just beige. Okay. So you put this one here. Okay. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's why they say glow base. It shines. Really. So I don't think it's for I don't think you should apply this all over your face. I think it's the best way to use this is to apply it on your T-zone, which is your forehead and the nose. Or you can apply this one first and then use the foundation, and you will have just this shiny glowing on your face. How amazing is that? I wish I could do makeups better, and I wish I could show it to you. But sorry guys, I'm not good with makeup. I think I like these two. Okay, this was the base and this was the foundation. Okay, 7 photos for these two. What is next? Half and half tint. So this one is for your lips. I'm excited about this one because I like applying lip colors, like different lip colors. Oh, this is pretty. Stay It. And as it said, where is it? Half and half. So half and half. Okay, so I'm going to open this part first. Ooh, okay, so I think it's this way. Look at the color. Oh my goodness. Just look at the color. It's so pretty. Ooh, I gotta say, it is pretty. Okay. And how about this side? Oh, the color is different and the shape of the end is different. Okay, let's open both of them. So this is like hot pink and this is red. So this one tint has 2 colors. That is cool. Okay, so you go here and you go here. I like this one too. Okay, 7 photos for this little one too. Okay, what's next? We have eyebrow. Do you guys use eyebrow pencils, or how do you say, eyebrow applicators? Huh. I mean, I normally don't, as I said. I'm not good with makeup, so I'm afraid I might look really, you know, stupid or too much. But it said duo, so let me just try. Oh, okay. Okay. Huh. So you apply this on your eyebrow? This is dark brown color actually. So there are two to three different types of colors you can choose. And this one is dark brown. How about this side? What do you have? Oh, okay. What is it? Oh, the pencil type. Okay. So you have two different types here. One is like mascara brush. The other one is the pencil type. That is neat. So, I see. I think I have to try using this. Okay. They both are pretty, aren't they? Okay, what do we have next? Mascara, finally. Okay. So, normally we know that applying mascara make your appearance totally different, right? You can look prettier with mascara on. Okay. Okay, so this color is black. Let's open. Why do you say duo? What? Oh. Okay. Oh, so it says eyeliner and mascara duo. So this one is used for eyelining. Ah, okay. And the other side is of course for the mascara. I see. That is convenient, really. You don't need to have like, I don't know, like 10 to 12 items in your pouch or in your cosmetic bag to do the makeup. You just need just these three and you're okay. You're okay to go. What is this? Blusher. Okay. This looks very cute. I like tiny things. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this one is the blusher, but how do you use it? Let me open. Oh, what? Really? Are you sure? Okay, so this one, that's right. Okay. Okay, so let me apply here. Okay, and mend it. Ah, do you see? Huh. Okay. I wish I knew how to do the makeup. So that was the blusher. And lastly, we have eyeshadow. Okay, so let's open. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, so this one is the eyeshadow, and you have two different colors here. Okay, so the first one is gold. Okay, and the second is kind of pearly brown. Okay, so this one, it says gold brown. Okay, I want to try. Oh my goodness, you know what, guys? It's not, normally eyeshadow, we have very powdery texture, but this one is no. This one has very, I think, little bit creamy texture. That is pretty. Oh my goodness. How about the brown color? Aww. Okay, so like that. These two colors. Goldy and brown, pearly brown. Oh my goodness, I want to apply them on my eyelids right now. Maybe I'll wear them for tomorrow's makeup. Oh guys, these are pretty.
Ah! So again, you don't need to have like a full big fatty pouch to do the makeup. You only need these 5 little items to just complete your makeup. How amazing is that? And again, 7 photos will come with just this little guy. Great. Okay, so that was today's unboxing for our lovely Cocoa Divers. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye, Cocoa Divers!